Hello ladles and jelly spoons. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a small package, and I wasn't planning on making a video this quick, but it is related to the last episode. I'm talking to the camera. Okay. There it is. It is the controller that supposedly goes with the train that we had taken a look at last week. You can see we need three, what is that? Yep, AA. And I have some AA right here. Brand new batteries. It's a whole lot less corroded than, well, it's not corroded at all. So, whoa, hey, that was quick. See that, Luis? So we know it works. Now we just gotta try to connect it to the train upstairs. These look cool. Yeah. It's very different. Now that we've got the batteries in there, let's head to the train room. See how it looks. I like the way this feels. Oh, cool. Feels good in the hands. We are here in the train room, and now we're gonna test this remote. I noticed that it actually really matches the old 9-volt one. I mean, I can see where they were going with that. I mean, it's almost exactly the same. A little bit darker gray there, but still. And if we press the buttons... Oh, cool. I didn't try that yet. So there's your train horn. That's your stop. And then we've got forward and backward. So we'll stop. Yeah, did you like that?
It's a funny noise.
Very funny. And then on the bottom here, you've got your channels 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. We have two guests here as well. It's Winnie the Pooh and Baby Strawberry. Thank you for coming by. The moment of truth. We've got the controller. And we're going to set it to just channel 1. And I'm going to go ahead and grab this. And let's see. Do you have to open this up? Yes. We're going to open this up. Set this to channel 1 as well. Now that we've done that, we're going to press the gray button right here. We got light. Now hopefully this controller should control it, and it should go flying. Let's see. There it goes. It works. Oh, but what do the lights look like? Oh, I see them. The lights are working. I see them. Here, let's take a look at it right here. Lights off. See them glowing? That's awesome. I'm missing the front pieces, but the lights do work. Awesome. Yeah, so as soon as I figured out that I needed one of these, I went online, went on Mercari actually, and there was one for sale for $16. And so I sent them an offer thinking nobody's going to be really looking for this. And not 20 minutes later did someone buy it. So I must have persuaded them to buy it, and that was the only one on there. And I resorted to eBay, where I found it for $12, and then after $8 shipping, it's $20. So I would say that is pretty good. Pretty good. I wish the controller could have come with the train, just because it would have, been $20 cheaper, because it's kind of what I thought I was getting. But I didn't know any better. I didn't pay attention to the other controller over there. So that's on me. But this works great. Whoa. Just noticed the light glows when you do that. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm very happy with the controller, happy with the train. I still got to finish up the train. It's actually not complete. It's got pieces that are missing, but we'll replace them pretty easily. I've got them in my inventory. I just got to go digging. However, I do have other projects as far as trains go, so I don't know if I will finish this one yet. This is probably going to end up like my what is it, the Emerald Knight, where it's kind of not complete, but it's in a box waiting to be finished off. So yeah, with that, let's get a video of, or some footage of it going around the tracks. Woo! All right, I'm really happy with this controller, and I think it'll make a great addition to the rest of the controllers I have in the collection. So, thank you all for watching. If you're into this stuff, subscribe, like, comment, anything you got. And until next time, bye bye.